Hello foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make butter garlic naan. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. We will start by cutting the garlic. Chop the garlic as shown. Add all-purpose flour, baking powder. Tap the side of the strainer to strain all the flour. Add salt to taste. Add sugar. Add chopped green chilies. Add chopped coriander leaves. Chopped garlic. Add curd. Mix well. Add milk as needed to knead the dough. Keep aside for 30 minutes. Take some oil and again knead the dough. Make a soft and smooth dough. The dough is ready for the naan. Take some part of the dough and shape it as shown. Press it gently and make it flat. Place the chopped garlic on the dough. Press the chopped garlic on it. Now roll it as shown. Place the naan on the tawa pan. Apply the butter on both sides. Butter garlic naan is ready. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.